I ordered the Kleavor VSTAR box off of Amazon, and today I'm going to be opening it. Just gotta destroy the box, because why not? And open this up. So we got the pin, the little VSTAR thing, the jumbo card, code card right here, full art VSTAR, and we also got a coin in here. Here's the coin. I think I might have been holding it upside down, but there are 6 packs in here, and it looks like we have Fusion Strike, Brilliant Stars, Astral Radiance, another Astral Radiance, another Brilliant Stars, and another Fusion Strike. So let's just start with this Fusion Strike pack. And yes, I fail at opening these all the time. You see that we got a Stuffle, so let's do this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lucario V. Oh well. Magcargo, Neri, Totodile, Toxel, Sigilith, Stuffle, Shauna, Corvisquire, Dracloak, and Energy. And I did that in the wrong order, but oh well. Let's just try again. Got the Energy, Floatzel, Staravia, Choice Belt, Impidimp, Axew, Spiritomb, Clink, Sneasel, Sinnoh Reverse, and a non-hollow Grimmsnarl. That was Brilliant Stars. Here's Astral Radiance. Rip into this one. The Energy, Gusty Pickaxe, I have a lot of those, not really, Duat, another Sweet Honey for my collection, Togepi, Combee, Chatot, Psyduck, Drifloon, Radiant Hawlucha, pretty good card there, and a non-hollow Registeel, that's a pretty good card, Brilliant Stars, again, got a Water Energy, Monferno, another Staravia. I don't know how well I'm putting these on camera. Vibrava, Chimecho, Gollet, Corphish, Sock, Cherubi, Reverse Weasel, and another non-hollow Magmortar. I got a Fusion Strike right here. For a second I thought that was Igglybuff, and then realized that's not a card. Alright, Fighting Energy, Magcargo, Charjabug, Judge, there's that Jigglypuff, Durant, Pansear, Minun, Baltoy, Reverse Mantine, and Claydol. It's the last pack of the video. Let's see what we get in this Astral Radiance. See if we can get something good in here. Pulled that Lucario V on the first pack, but I didn't go through the pack in the right order, so here we go. And I think I see something. I kind of accidentally did it, so let's see what we get. We got a Psychic Energy, Zootian Electrode, another Gusty Pickaxe, another Duat, Yanma, Hoot Hoot, Kricketot, Sudowoodo, Combee, another Kricketot, Hollow, and another Lucario V. So we just got 2 Lucario Vs in one box. And let me dig through my other cards to find it. Oh, okay, so we got 2 different Lucario Vs in here. We got this one, and we got this one. I don't know what the chances of that are, but we pulled 2 Lucario Vs in one box, as well as we got these other cards. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more Pokemon, NASCAR, gaming content, whatever, all that stuff, and I'll see you in the next video. Snufster Network out.